In front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select System, and go to Languages and Input. Here, just click at the icon at the top of the list, which is Languages, and now, by selecting Other Language, you can pick the one that you want to apply. So here you've got all of them, and let me pick, for example, French. Now slide it up to the first place to make it a default language, and from now on, the whole device is in French. Then, whenever you'd like to change it again, just open Languages, remove unnecessary language by tapping on Remove, mark it, and then select Bin. Tap on OK, and that's it. Now we can perform exactly the same operation, so just pick the language that you want to activate. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.